Solitaire cache withdrawal denials are usually caused by account verification issues, payment method problems, or eligibility requirements that have not been completed. By the end, you'll know the main reasons a Solitaire cache withdrawal can be denied, and the steps to check before trying again. The first thing to check is your account information. Open Solitaire cache and review your profile details, payment information, and any verification requests shown in the app. If your account details do not match your payment information, the withdrawal may not process correctly. Next, check your payment method. Make sure the payment option connected to Solitaire cache is supported, and that the information entered is accurate. If you recently changed payment details, confirm that the new information has been saved correctly before requesting another withdrawal. Another common issue is incomplete verification. Some accounts require users to complete verification steps before withdrawals can be processed. Look inside the app for notifications, messages, or pending actions that need to be completed. If you see a withdrawal denial message, save the exact wording or take a screenshot. The error message can help identify whether the problem is related to your account status, payment information, or verification requirements. You should also check whether your Solitaire cache app is updated. An outdated app version can sometimes cause account information or features to display incorrectly. Update the app from your device's app store, then reopen Solitaire cache and check your withdrawal status again. Avoid submitting multiple withdrawal requests without fixing the issue first. Repeated attempts usually do not solve problems caused by missing information or account restrictions. If you have confirmed your payment details, completed verification steps, and updated the app, but your withdrawal is still denied, contact Solitaire cache support through the app. Include your account details, the withdrawal issue, and any error messages you received. Support can review account-specific information that is not available from your device. The main fixes are checking your payment method, completing verification, and reviewing any account alerts inside Solitaire cache. Before requesting another withdrawal, make sure your account information is complete and accurate. Subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides, reward app fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. And like the video if this helped you fix your Solitaire cache withdrawal problem.